That's Clara, the praying mantis that lives in my living room. So my wife and my niece brought her in. So saved her from out in the cold in the garden. So, but okay. We're going to do an unboxing. So here it is. It's the ZWO ASI 533 MC-P. So it's the 533 colored camera. Runs off USB 3.0. It's supposed to be deep sky camera. So high speed, high sensitivity, low noise, and it's cooled, so we can do long exposures. That's nice. Nice quality. Definitely cool. USB 2 out, USB 3 in, DC 12 volts, little grid to protect the fan. Very nice billet aluminum. There's the sensor chip. I believe it's a CMOS sensor. Okay, so it's threaded on the inside here. Looks like this is going to be a 1.25 inch. Look, it has some adapters here. Look, it's Slash's hat. Okay, and then that would go into the camera, or into the telescope. Looks like a USB 2.0 maybe. Another USB. So it's got an angled for the square part. And for the rectangle, it's just straight. Same thing with this one here, angled on the square. Has a couple of O-rings. So two kinds. Ooh, nice. Wow. Looks like it's 3. Nope. 3 O-rings. Looks like that one could go. No. Oh, these are aluminum. They're like reducers, some sort. That's an O-ring. This is aluminum, like a reducer. Both of these are aluminum. This one here is a rubber O-ring. M42M to M48F. Yeah, I should get my glasses. But it looks like some more adapters. Whoop. Okay, so there's that. So very nice quality, very nice carrier. So we'll see how good she is taking pictures. So we could do long exposure videos or long exposure photographs. So we should be able to do quick photographs as well. So the planet should be not that much of a problem. But okay, well, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.